Welcome to this quick guide on unpinning a channel on WhatsApp Web on your PC with the latest update. If you've pinned channels to your left side menu for easy access and you're wondering how to remove one, you're in the right place. Let's walk through it step by step so you can tidy up your chat hub in just a few seconds. First, open WhatsApp Web on your computer and sign in if needed. Once you're at the main dashboard, look to the left-hand side where your chats and channels are listed. You'll notice a column of pinned channels near the top for quick access. This is where the unpinning action starts. Next, locate the channel you want to unpin, scan the pinned section until you find the specific channel that you no longer want to keep at the top. When you found it, click directly on the channel name. If you're on a trackpad, perform a two-finger click to bring up the context menu. From the context menu that appears, you'll see several options. Look for the option labeled Unpin Channel and click on it. The channel will immediately be removed from the pinned area and will return to the regular channel list further down. This action does not delete the channel or affect its messages. It only changes its position in your sidebar for easier organization. If you want to confirm the change, simply glance at the left sidebar. The channel you unpinned should no longer occupy a prominent spot at the top, making room for other channels you may want to pin in the future. It's a small adjustment, but it can make a big difference in how smoothly you navigate WhatsApp Web during busy days. A quick tip: if you find yourself pinning and unpinning channels frequently, take a moment to plan which conversations deserve constant visibility. This habit helps you keep the most important channels within easy reach while freeing up space for newer pins. That's all there is to unpinning a channel on WhatsApp Web from your PC.